isa po siyang pediatrician. Matagal na po siyang into medical practice, more than 19 years na po. Meron po silang, ang asawa niya po ay isa ring doktor. Meron po silang clinic sa Baliwag at saka po sa Pampanga. Napakaganda ho ng kalooban kasi hindi niya na ho kailangang mag-business, pero ginagawa niya po itong Elken para ho makatulong sa mga kakilala niya, kaibigan, relatives, and yun hong nakikita niya na pwede niyang matulungan para ho, lalo ngayon, ang dami ho nating problema, no? So, through this opportunity po, yung Elken, ang dami niya hong natutulungan. And in just 3 months ho, na pag-join niya, talagang humanga kami sa kanya kasi consistent director po siya every pay cycle. And recently po na nakuha niya yung Tokyo, Japan travel, and now 2-star director na po. So hindi ko na po pagtatagalin ang atin pong idol natin po sa group, no? Kaya po lumaki din yung grupo natin sa Bulacan. In this pandemic lockdown po, in 3 months, we were able to sponsor close to 400 new brand ambassadors because of this person, and of course the whole team ng Bulacan, no? So welcome po sa ating speaker, si Dr. Mary Jane Ontoy. Doc?
Good evening po everyone. Ma'am Isay, thank you so much po. Napakasarap naman ng introduction ni Ma'am Isay. Sa totoo lang po, si Ma'am Isay po ang ating idol dito eh. Siya po yung ating first diamond sa Philippines, pero kahit napakataas po ng kanyang rank, no, lagi lang po siyang andyan para sa ating lahat, no. So, iyan po ang isa sa mga uniqueness ng ating Elken Global, no? The humility of the people behind this company, no? So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. I would like also to acknowledge the presence of our mentor from Malaysia, Miss Josephine Chong. Thank you so much po for always being with us, no? For guiding us and for giving us several trainings para po lalo tayong gumaling sa Elken. Ayan. I would like also to say thank you sa ating mga uplines. Si Sir Moses, my direct upline. Hello po. And also Ma'am Neddy, Miss Lenny Lorenzo. At sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, medyo marami po tayo. And also sa mga BA. Higit sa lahat, gustong-gusto ko rin pong pasalamatan ng ating mga guests, no? Maraming salamat po, especially sa aking friend, si Dr. Richard Castro. Ayan, actually kauuwi pa lang po niya, pero nag-open na siya ng Zoom. Thank you so much, Dr. Richard. And also sa lahat po ng guests, ng ibang mga BA na nandito po ngayon, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At maraming salamat po sa inyong pagbibigay ng inyong precious time. Ngayon po, i-discuss ko po sa inyo ang 13 trusted products ng Elken Global. Gaya po ng nabanggit kanina ni Ma'am Neddy, no, 25 years na po ang ating Elken Global. And we have almost 200 products sa buong mundo. Pero sa atin, sa Philippines, since 5 years pa lang po tayo, we have 13 products na all of which are trusted and certified by different recognizing body. Our first product is the spirulina. Spirulina is a complete food. Tinatawag po natin itong superfood because it has 46 essential nutrients na kailangan ng ating katawan to keep us healthy. It is 100% alkaline. Very important for all of us to have a supplement that is 100% alkaline. Why? Because according to the World Health Organization, 90% of people die because of chronic diseases secondary to an acidic body. And an acidic body serves as breeding ground for cancer. It also has 4 pigments, no, na napakahalaga dahil meron po itong chlorophyll for anemia. It has xanthophyll, phycocyanin na nakakatulong po to prevent cancer, and also beta-carotene. It also has 18 proteins, which are plant-based, so which means they are easily digested and easily absorbed by our body. Napakahalaga po na na-absorb ng ating katawan ang mga nutrients na kailangan natin. It also has 18 vitamins. Ang vitamins po na yan, lahat ng kailangan natin, andyan na. Andyan na po ang vitamin A, vitamin C na kailangan natin ngayon, no? Vitamin D, the B complex, lahat po ng klase ng vitamins, name it, andyan po. And we also have 20 minerals, no? Andyan na rin po ang zinc na recommended by expert nowadays, and also the sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, selenium, marami pa pong iba. It also has 5 carbohydrates and 3 fats. So sa pamamagitan po nito, ma-achieve natin ang healthy body. Napakarami pong spirulina sa market ngayon. Siguro magtatanong kayo, ano bang pagkakaiba ng Elken spirulina sa ibang brand sa market? Lagi ko pong ine-emphasize that cultivation and processing processes are very important in retaining the essential nutrients ng ating product. Ito po ang sinigurado ng Elken Global, wherein there is a total quality assurance, which means that starting from the research and development, cultivation, pre-production, post-production, quality, and sales, lahat po iyan are certified and recognized by prestigious recognizing body, which only show how credible, how effective, and how safe Elken spirulina is. When it comes to its research and development, ang nag-research po niyan ay ang father ng spirulina himself. 30 years po niyang ni-research, no? Si Dr. Kodo ng Japan. And when it comes to cultivation, napakalinis po ng cultivation, free po ito from toxins or microcystin, no? So sinigurado po nila na ang water na ginagamit ay malinis. We are halal certified, we are ISO certified, and we are recognized by the Japan Food Health Association, which means that we have indeed a very high quality. 30% lang po ng supplements sa Japan ang nare-recognize ng JFHA, no? And I'm happy to announce that every 2 years, we are recognized by this prestigious body. As you can see in this slide, no, our Elken spirulina is super concentrated with nutrients, no? Compared to other sources, we have more iron than spinach, no? Almost 56 times higher. We have more chlorophyll than wheatgrass, 30 times higher. And we have 18 times higher beta-carotene than from apples, and 5 times higher of protein than milk. And we also have the gamma-linolenic acid, which is very important for our nerves, no? Which is 3 times higher than the evening primrose oil. And we also have 2.5 higher B complex than those obtained from liver. Na? So ito po, marami rin po tayong mga clinical-based studies or evidence-based studies which prove that this Elken spirulina is not only a good supplement, but it can help also in other diseases. Like for example, it is useful among patients with high cholesterol levels, yung mga bad cholesterol in our body, thus preventing atherosclerosis and heart attack. Meron din po itong use or very useful also sa mga diabetic patients wherein it lowers down the hemoglobin A1C by 1, which means that 20% of the complications of diabetes are being prevented. Very useful po ito sa mga persons with hormonal imbalance, anemia, and infertility. And also, there are proven facts that it reduces fatty liver by 50%. And also very useful among patients with allergic rhinitis, asthma. And very important is a good source of beta-carotene and also with phycocyanin, which are the scavengers of the free radicals, thus preventing cancer. So ano pong dapat natin gawin? No? Sa mga matatanda, we can take 4 to 5 tablets a day. Sa mga bata, 1 tablet a day will do or 1 tablet 3 times a day. So depende po sa kondisyon ng ating katawan. No? So with this, katumbas na po yan ng 10 prutas na na-serve sa atin ng 9 to 17 servings, and also katumbas siya ng 46 synthetic vitamins. No? So with this, no, we can keep ourselves healthy. Our next product is the colostrum. Ang colostrum po, yun yung first milk na ibinibigay natin sa mga anak pagkapanganak natin. No? Alam po nating lahat ng mga mami na this milk is very, very important na maibigay natin sa ating mga anak because it serves as the immune booster ng ating mga newborns. No? According to the USDA, the bovine colostrum is 1,000-fold more potent than human colostrum. So we can use this IG6 colostrum as supplement. No? 10 years na po namin ginagamit ito. No? And before, ang ginagamit ko yung 150 lang pala ang microgram ng kanyang immunoglobulin. This one is more effective because it has 250 microgram na immunoglobulin na kung saan ay mga antibodies na nakakatulong to fight against viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. No? Aside from that, when it comes to its safety, kinuha po sila sa grade A cow's milk from New Zealand na kung saan ay sinigurado nila na safe ang water at wala pong mga pesticides, insecticides, hormones, or antibiotic na ginamit. No? Ang ating pong IG6 colostrum is a true colostrum. Bakit? Ibig sabihin po, kinolek po ito after the 6 hours na pagkapanganak ng mga baka. Which means na ang kanyang protein, ang kanyang immunoglobulins were retained 100%. So nakakasigurado po tayo ng ating iniinom ay effective and safe. I would like also to emphasize that nowadays, no, meron po tayong COVID-19, no? Lagi ko pong sinasabi para hindi po tayo matakot na 85% of cases are mild cases. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Which means that if we have a very strong immune system, if we have a healthy body, we will be able to fight against these diseases, no? Against this disease. So, bukod po doon, meron lactobacillus at lactoferrin colostrum. No? Yung lactoferrin na yon is an iron-binding protein na kung saan ay nagbabind siya sa pagkain ng mga viruses, thus ang mga viruses na ito ay nawawalan ng food para makasurvive. With that, no, we can say that this colostrum ay makakatulong po sa ating lahat, no, para ma-boost natin ang ating immune system. And this colostrum can be given to all ages. As you can see, it can be given to elderly people, sa pregnant women, postnatal women, patients that are undergoing rehabilitation, those patients with chronic diseases, diabetic patients, sa mga athletes, no? Kailangan din po nila ito. And of course, to the entire family. Even sa kids and infants, this colostrum can be given. Our next product is the lactose. Very important for all of us to keep our gut healthy because 70% of our immune factors are also located in our gut, which means that if we have a healthy gut, we can prevent diseases such as colon cancer, diverticulitis, diarrhea, constipation, IBS, and coprostasis. No? Our lactose is 100% natural. So it is 100% organic, and it increases the bowel movement by 65%. It increases the good bacteria by 35%. Dapat po 80% of the good bacteria ang nasa ating katawan. 20% lang dapat ang bad. But as we age, no, at pag hindi magandang ating lifestyle na kumakain tayo ng mga maraming preservatives, no, dumadami ang mga bad bacteria. So nanghihina ang ating katawan. So napakaganda po na ma-replenish at mag-proliferate ang mga good bacteria sa ating katawan. No? Our lactose also reduces the toxic substances by 25%. Yung mga natatrap sa mga maliliit na folds ng ating intestines, lahat po yan ay winawalis ng ating lactose. It is also useful among diabetic patients. It reduces the blood sugar level by 22%. and also reduce the blood lipid level by 265. Ano po bang meron ang ating lactose? Bakit ganito po siya kaganda? It has triad ingredients that are very useful, which makes it effective. The lactose, which dilate our intestine para magkaroon ng magandang bowel movement. The galacto-oligosaccharides, which are the prebiotic that serve as food for our good bacteria. No? Thus, dumadami ang ating good bacteria. And it has the soy metabolites from the soy powder, which increases the peristalsis o ang paggalaw ng ating bituka. With that, we can achieve a healthy gut by removing the stubborn stools, restoring the intestinal flora balance, and of course, regulating our bowel movements. No? So we can take one sachet once a day for 3 days or one sachet every other day. For 3 days, then one sachet once a week for 3 weeks. So you only need 2 boxes para makapag-detoxify, para malinis natin ang ating colon, para ma-absorb natin ang lahat ng nutrients at supplements na kailangan ng ating katawan. Our next product is the EPA-DHA. Ito po ang ating fish oil. Napakarami pong fish oil sa market ngayon. No? So paano nyo masasabi na ang fish oil na gagamitin ko is effective? Ano po bang pagkakaiba ng ating fish oil sa iba sa market? No? As you can see, this fish oil is outsourced from the deep sea fishes from the cleanest ocean in the world, the Norwegian Sea sa Norway. No? So nakakasigurado po tayo na natural, pure, and safe ang ating fish oil. And aside from that, nag-undergo po ito ng double molecular distillation process which remove all the contaminants and impurities na pwedeng makuha ng mga fishes na source ng ating fish oil. So this fish oil is very important also to reduce the bad cholesterol in our body, the so-called triglycerides and the total cholesterol, no? The LDL and the IDL. No? Ngayon, ini-increase naman niya yung good cholesterol, yun yung HDL. It also helps in the modulation of blood pressure. It reduces the rate of getting vascular diseases, anti-cancer din po siya, and it strengthens our brain function and of course our vision. Nakakatulong din po siya sa mga patients natin with immune disorders like lupus, and also it improves allergy and inflammation and reduces migraine. Our next product is very, very effective, no? At ito po ay hinintay natin ng matagal, no? 13 years na po siya na ginagamit sa Malaysia, no? Ang ating pong nitric oxide booster or the LX-YANG. Ayan. Kailangan din po kasi nating mapanatili ang ating blood vessels at heart na maging healthy. Kasi ang ating pong heart 24/7 po yung nagtatrabaho. In fact, ayan, alam niyo po ba na ang ating blood vessels ay napakahaba. It can encircle the earth by 2.5 times. So very important na i-keep natin ito na healthy. And our heart beats about 100 times per day. Ayan, as you can see in this slide, no? About 35 million times in a year. Ganun po kapagod ang ating puso to keep us healthy, no? To disseminate the oxygen and the nutrients na kailangan ng ating organs, no, para maging optimum ang kanyang function, no. This is just a comparison of the car engine and the human heart, no. As you can see, no, if breakdown happens, no, kailangan na ng replacement ng makina ng mga sasakyan. Pag naman ang human heart ang nag-breakdown, itong nakakatakot kasi this may lead to bypass surgery or sudden death, na kung saan wala na tayong pwedeng gawin. So what we need to do, no, is to, in order for us, no, to have healthy blood flow. Nowadays, ginagamit nila yung mga drugs, yung mga angioplasty o kaya yung mga bypass surgery. Kaya lang, alam naman natin na may mga side effects, and of course, yung price, no, napakalaki po, napakataas, no. Not all of us can have those drugs and these procedures, no. Ngayon, meron tayong natural way of protecting our blood vessels and our heart, na? Walang surgery, walang drugs, ang risk wala kasi wala siyang side effect. This is the nitric oxide booster, the LX-YANG. Ayan. Ang nitric oxide po, napaka-importante po sa ating katawan. In fact, ito po ay Nobel Prize. Nung ma-discover po ang nitric oxide, natuwa ang medical community kasi nakakita po sila ng pampahealthy ng ating blood vessels at ng heart. Ayan, ito po ang ating LX-YANG. It is the first in Asia. No? It has 3 ingredients that gives us good blood flow, thus giving us good oxygen and nutrients sa ating katawan. No? So it has the TAE or the tomato aqueous extract, the nitric oxide, and the curcumin. Tayo lang po ang meron yan. So ibig sabihin, patented po iyan sa Elken LX-YANG. Ayan, ano po ba itong nitric oxide na to? Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, siya po ay Nobel Prize sa medicine noong pang 1998. Kasi nakakatulong siya para maging healthy ang ating cardiovascular system. As you can see, no, pag po bumababa na ang ating nitric oxide na nangyayari kapag tayo tumatanda, wherein 85% of our ability to make nitric oxide is lost, nagkakaroon tayo ng problema. Pag 80% na lang ang nitric oxide natin, nagkakaroon ng thickening ng arteries. Kumakapal ang lining ng ating mga blood vessels. So, lumiliit ang butas. Kapag 50%, inflammation or plaque build-up occur. No, ano namang nangyayari? Nagbabara ngayon ang ating lumen. So, nahihirapan ng dugo na dumaloy. Ang mahirap nito, pag 35% na lang, nagkakaroon ng stiffening ng wall at nagkakaroon ng calcium build-up. At ito ang mas pinaka-nakakatakot. Kapag 15% na lang ang ating nitric oxide, this can lead to the rupture of our blood vessels. Thus, nagkakaroon po tayo ng heart attack. Once na nangyari nun, wala na po tayong magagawa. So this nitric oxide is very important to dilate our blood vessels, maintains its flexibility, inhibit the blood vessel hardening, and it slows down plaque buildup. As you can see in the picture, the first picture show us a healthy blood vessels wherein malaki ang kanyang lumen, no? Smooth ang kanyang lining, wala pong pagbabara. Yung gitna, nakita nyo, kumapal na po ang lining, nagkaroon na ng mga bara-bara at mga calcium buildup. No? If you will take this nitric oxide, no, mababalik po ang ating blood vessels sa kanyang healthy, no, healthy ano, sa health, magiging healthy siya. Ayun. Another component of our LX-YANG is the award-winning and patented curcumin extract. No? Ito po ay napag-aralan na meron po siyang synergistic effect para mag-increase ang production ng nitric oxide by 40%. Ayun. So, ibig sabihin, kaya nila inad ito para maging maganda ang production natin ng nitric oxide. At aside from that, nalaman din po sa mga pag-aaral na ito po ay nakakababa ng ating total cholesterol level by 19.3%. So ibig sabihin, pag mababa ang ating cholesterol, no, wala po tayong mga pagbabara sa ugat, maiiwasan natin yon. So maiiwasan din po natin ang heart attack. Ayan. And the third component of our LX-YANG is the award-winning and patented rin po na tomato aqueous extract. This one naman prevents platelet aggregation. So it has proven studies na anti-platelet aggregation effect is reduced by 65%, no? Seen within 1.5 hours after ng intake. Yan, so anong ginagawa ng ating TAE? Yung pong mga spiky platelet, ginagawa niyang smooth, na? So, maiiwasan po natin ang pagbabara, yung thrombus, yung blood clots, no? Para maiwasan po natin ang stroke and heart attack. Ayan. So, these three powerful ingredients gives a tri-action blood flow solution sa ating blood vessels. No? Gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, it smoothens spiky platelets, it inhibits plaque formation, and it manages the blood cholesterol level sa ating katawan. There were also studies na yung isang patient na nag-take nito, high blood siya for 20 years, tapos mataas ang cholesterol niya for 20 years, no? After using this for 3 to 4 months, na-achieve po niya ang magandang blood pressure and of course, yung kanyang normal na blood cholesterol level. And it also easen up or alleviate the symptoms of minor stroke, no? In fact, it disappeared after 20 minutes of taking it, no? So, yan po yung mga subtle signs na kung minsan ay hindi natin napapansin, gaya ng pagmamanhead ng ating face, no? O kaya pagsakit ng likod, o kaya yung antukin tayo, hindi natin alam, subtle signs na po pala yan ng stroke, no? And there was also a remarkable improvement in chest pain ng patient na ito after taking the Alexiang for 3 weeks. Ayan, within 3 weeks. Ayan. Aside from that, it also improved the sexual vitality and gives us good sleep at night. This one is very, very, totoo po. Ayan, kasi ako nakakatulog ako ng masarap talaga pag uminom ako ng Alexiang. No? Napaka-energetic din po natin. Kahit si husband, sabi niya, lakas-lakas ko ngayon. Ayan. This naman po shows the live blood analysis. Ayan, as you can see, before taking the Alexiang, no, clamping po yung ating mga red blood cells, no? Then after 30 minutes, makikita niyo na naghihiwa-hiwalay na sila. So ibig sabihin, magiging maganda na po ang flow ng ating dugo. So madidistribute niyang mabuti ang oxygen at nutrients na kailangan ng ating katawan. Yan, this is another patient, no? Kita nyo parang mga bituka, no? Yung kanyang RBCs, tapos magkakahiwa-hiwalay siya after 30 minutes ng Alexiang. Ganun po ka-immediate ang action niya. No? And because this is a very good product, no? Meron po silang discount packages, no? Hanggang December lang po ito, no? As you can see, no? Instead of buying the 14 sachet na na for 3 pag member ka, pwede po itong may 5+2 na na package, no? 28 pieces, pumapatak lang po ng 4,800 na magagamit na po ng isang tao for 4.5 months, no? Which is the ideal recommended dose. Ayan, ito naman po yung isang offer nila na buy 3+1 ng 28 pieces din po. Mas malaki po kasi yung matitipid, no? At saka, mako-continue po natin yung paggamit. Ayan. Okay, ayan. Ito po yung ating next product. Ito po ang ating BioPure 4-stage filtration system. So, ito po yung dahilan kung bakit po ako naka-member ng Elken, no? My upline, Sir Moses, introduced this to me. Nung time na yon, pandemic medyo nahihirapan kami sa pagkuha ng clean water. So sabi ko, kailangan meron sa bahay. And nung mapag-aralan po namin na maganda yung machine, no? So hindi na po ako nagdalawang isip kasi unang-una, very affordable. Pangalawa po, madali po siyang install, no? Wala rin pong electricity na kailangan. At higit sa lahat, nakakasigurado tayo na malinis ang water na tinitake natin. So ano ba itong 4-stage filtration system na to? Ayan. As you can see in this slide, no, it has the 4-stage filtration system wherein the first stage can filter rust, mud, and sand. So lahat po yan na-filter niya. No? The second stage can filter up to 1 micron ng dumi. No? Biruin yung ating hair is 70 micron, 1 micron kaya niyang i-filter. And this can filter the pesticides, the herbicides, the chlorine, and the other disinfectants na ginamit sa water natin. The third stage is the ultrafiltrate stage na tayo lang po ang meron nito. It can filtrate up to 0.1 micron. O grabe na po iyon. No? So nakakasigurado tayo na malinis ang water na tinitake natin. Pwede niyang i-filter ang cyst, parasites, bacteria, and the microplastics. And of course, yung fourth stage ay nagbibigay ng masarap na lasa ng ating tubig at inaalis niya ang bad odor. Yan. So very important for all of us to take clean and safe water. Kasi alam naman natin na ang ating katawan is mostly made of water na kailangan nila para makapag-function sila optimally. At syempre, para ma-prevent natin ang mga kidney diseases. Okay. So, bukod po sa mga MRT products natin, no, we also have the beauty solutions. No? This is from in and out gagawin kanyang maganda. Ayan, we have the El Marino Blanc, which is our collagen, and it gives us fairer, firmer, radiant, and smoother skin texture. This El Marino has the so-called Ads Viqua na kung saan ay ini-inhibit niya ang pag-breakdown ng ating collagen. So meron tayong 100% experience na mawawala ang ating wrinkles and fine lines, no? So babata ang ating itsura. And it also has the collective technique. This one naman replenishes the lost collagen in our body. Kasi pag pala umidad ka ng 20-year-old, no, pataas, yearly nawawalan ka na ng collagen by 1%. No? So kailangan ma-replenish natin ito para magkaroon tayo ng firmer skin. And of course, it also has the ROC, wherein naman it serves as the sunblock. No? It protects our skin from harmful UV rays, and it inhibits the enzyme that stimulates the melanin production, thus reducing the dark spots by 69% sa ating skin. Ayan. Napakasarap po nito at napakaganda. Ayan, we also have the Eternal Beauty Plus, no? This one is also one of the amazing product of Elkid, no? Kumpleto po siya. Yung iba kasi FIR lang. Ito kumpleto, may FIR na siya, may thermal pa, may anion, may ultrasound, may germanium therapy, no? 5-in-1 advanced technology, no? So anong gagawin niya sa skin mo? Gagawin niyang smoother, gaganda yung blood circulation, aalisin niya yung impurities kasi it can penetrate up to 4 cm deep sa skin natin, no? And nakita niyo po ba yung apple dyan sa tabi? Ayan po, oh, hiniwa nila into halves, no? After 8 days, yung isa bulok na. Yung isa medyo nangitim lang ng konti, pero fresh looking pa rin. Ganyan po ang ginagawa ng EB Plus sa ating skin. Yan. So this one, pwede pong investment to ng mga gustong business. Na this is a good investment also. Ang susunod na slide, ayun, papakita niya kung gaano ka-effective ang ating El Marino at ang ating EB Plus. Ginamit po yan ng ating isang upline, no, si Ma'am Lenny. Nagkaroon po siya ng chicken pox. No? After 2 months of using this El Marino and also the EB Plus, no, na-achieve po niya ulit ang kanyang young-looking and radiant-looking skin. Ayan. Normally po, pag chicken pox, 6 months to 1 year bago po yan mawala. Minsan, may makikita ka pa rin pong bakas. So, sa kanya, nag-clear up po agad. Yan, sila yung mga happy users ng EB Plus. Ayan. Dyan si Miss Jo. Ayan. This one naman, the inner snow cap, no? Ito yung mga natin, products from head to toe, no? Ito pong snow cap na to, hindi lang po siya simpleng bonnet, no? This has the Nigen technology from Taiwan, which increases the blood circulation in our brain by emitting the far infrared rays, no? Thus increasing our oxygen level and ina-accelerate niya yung metabolism, no? This is very useful for patients with migraine, with headache, and dun sa mga hindi makapag-focus, no? At saka dun sa mga hindi makatulog. Kasi this induces good sleep, good quality sleep, no? This is a proven product, no, sa lahat kasi marami na ako nabigyan nito and very effective po talaga. Lalong-lalo na doon sa panganay ko, no? Nung suot niya to, no? Naging masarap ang tulog niya. Even as, kahit po nagigising ako ng madaling araw, pag sinuot ko ulit, balik ako sa pagtulog. So napakaganda po na good quality ang sleep natin kasi this also increases our or boosts our immune system. We also have the Elisil contouring pants, no? Ito rin po very effective, no? It has the patented Kodenshi fiber. Yan. So nag-emit rin po ito ng far infrared rays which increases the blood circulation in our lower extremities. It is made in Japan and has German technology. Ayan. So this one is very useful among patients with leg pain, no? Leg cramping. Ayan. And also those with varicose veins, nakakatulong din po siya. At dahil hagip niya hanggang sa tummy, lumiliit po talaga yung tummy, yung belly fat natin. So it is also a good tool for slimming and even remove or alleviating the lower back pain. Kasi hanggang lower back hagip po niya. So you can see, papagandahin niyo po ang figure ng ating legs, no? And also, yung belly fat nawawala talaga. Even the cellulites. No? This one is very effective. No? Napatunayan ko to kasi I've been using this for almost 3 months now and nakita ko po yung difference. No? Even my varicosities, yung aking mga spider veins, nabawasan na, and also yung pain, yun ang nawala. Yun po kasing masarap kaysa uminom ka ng uminom ng pain relievers. This one naman is the Elisil contouring socks. Yan. This one is designed by a certified chiropractor na, and it has a front and back support during hip movement. It has graduated compression, no, towards the heart, and it also gives good circulation sa ating extremities. Yan. This one, even the moderate cases of varicosities are being treated. Ayan, lumiliit po talaga yung varicosities, no, dun sa mga gumagamit. This one is also useful sa may mga edema, sa may mga leg swelling, ayan, yung may mga cellulites, ayan. So yung may mga varicosities, no, ganda po nito. And also, this is our 12th product, no? The Charms. Ayan. Ito po ang love na love ng mga girls, no? And bakit? Kasi meron siyang ergonomic design. Superior ang quality niya. It has very, very high quality assurance and it gives amazing results. Bakit? Pag sinuot mo siya, bibigyan kanya ng immediate transformation. As you can see, no? Kahit saging na po yung breast, nagsasag na, no? This will give you a full breast again pag suot mo siya. And it will give a shape sa yung waistline. Gagawin niya po ulit cope ang iyong body, ha? Hindi yung incan. Yan. Ayan. So, ibabalik niya yung figure mo when you were teens. Napakaganda pong iregalo nito sa mga misis. Doc Richard, kay misis. Ayan. And also, yung mga yung mga cellulites, taba-taba, alisin po niya. Ayan, no? Instant transformation po talaga. At habang tumatagal na ginagamit mo siya, hindi mo alam na nagiging sexy ka na pala. Wow, ang ganda talaga. And this is also important sa mga patients with scoliosis, niyan, para po maprotektahan, masupport ang ating backbone, and also, no, sa mga may mga upper back pain, secondary to poor posture. This is very effective. Ayan. And our last product but not the least is yung love na love ng mga members, no, ng ating Elken Global, the El Cafe, which is healthy 5-in-1 coffee. This is 100% natural, 100% organic, and wala po siyang artificial flavoring, walang artificial coloring, walang artificial sweetener. Yan. At wala siyang trans fat. No? So wala po siyang cholesterol. And it has 5 ingredients that are very useful for our healthy body. We have the ginkgo biloba, which promotes blood circulation sa brain natin, thus giving us good oxygen supply sa ating heart, brain, and body. This is also an antioxidant. And it has the ginseng, which is a general tonic, no? Anti-fatigue po yan, anti-stress, and very, very useful para ma-stimulate ang ating physical, mental, and sexual activity. And ang coffee niya is the Arabica, which is renowned for its smooth and mellow taste. Talaga napakasarap po. And the Robusta na nagbibigay ng irresistible aroma. Pag tinimpla mo yan, pagpasok mo sa room, maaamoy mo, napakasarap. Na? Okay. So yun po lahat ang ating 13 products. No? I hope may nagustuhan po kayo. Sigurado naman pong meron. Ako may nagustuhan ako lahat. Ayan. Ayan, bakit po ako nag-join sa Elken Global? Unang-una, nakita ko po kung gaano ka-stable ang company, kung gaano po kababait at kamatulungin ang mga taong andito. No? Marami na rin po akong nasalihan, pero this one I think will be the last. Bakit? Kasi alam ko bibigyan niya ako ng healthy body, aside from that, of financial and time freedom at the right time. Ayan. Kaya ako po siya sinishare sa inyong lahat kasi gusto kong ma-experience nyo kung ano po ang kabutihan na idinudulot ng ating product. Lagi ko pong sinasabi na napakahalaga po ng pangalan sa lahat ng bagay. No? When I was a resident, my mentor told me, Jane, for you to have a good practice, you have to build a good name and the prosperity will follow. Napakaganda po ng pangalan ng Elken Global. Why? Kasi 25 years na siya, stable siya, profitable siya. Ang products nila, all of them are amazing and effective. In fact, bago po namin sila nirecommend sa aming mga patients, kami muna ang gumamit. Kasi gusto namin ang patients namin healthy na katulad namin. Kasi gusto namin bumabalik sila sa amin. Na? That's why hindi po ako nagsasawang mag-recommend sa aking mga kamag-anak, sa aking mga kaibigan, at sa lahat ng taong nakakausap ko. Dahil alam ko na kapag winork nila ito, na kapag nagbigay po sila ng oras para dito, they will have good health, they will have financial and time freedom. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, Ma'am Isay.
Thank you very much, Doktora, sa napakaganda, napakalinaw, sobrang kompleto mo na product presentation. Grabe, Doktora. We are so blessed to have you at Elcan Global Philippines kasi